Hello guys, welcome back. Here is another mind-blowing recipe that you will love to try just immediately. It is super delicious and easy to make. Just with few ingredients, you are good to go. So if you are interested, please continue watching and make sure you watch till the end. Now guys, let's jump right into the video. Now, in a clean pot, go in with your vegetable oil or your butter. Guys, we are making use of butter. Once it is heated, go on and add your diced onions. Afterwards, you give it a quick stir. Now, to enhance the flavor, we're going to add some bay leaves and some dry thyme. I added actually 1 bay leaf. You can add 2, okay? 1 or 2 is fine. Afterwards, you stir it in and we're going to allow it to fry for 1 minute. This is us after 1 minute, going in with a full teaspoon of curry powder. Guys, not only will it enhance the flavor, it's going to give it a unique color, okay? You can substitute it to turmeric, but I prefer curry powder. Now, the next thing is your washed rice. Yes, go on and add it. Afterwards, you stir to well combine. Guys, you're going to stir it, all right? Until everything is looking the same, okay? Now, while we are stirring, we are frying at the same time. It is called fried rice, remember? So we're going to fry it just a bit, not for too long, okay? And make sure you continuously stir it. Now, introducing some of the ingredients to you. Here is our scotch bonnet, just for some hotness. And here is our garlic, okay? Here is some green bell peppers. These are also flavor boosters, yes. And here is our ginger, all washed. Now transfer your blender and blend. Now this is us going back to our rice after frying for 3 minutes. Guys, it is ready. So you go on and pour the blended pepper mix, okay, into it and stir it in. Please, as for the scotch bonnet peppers, you can increase it if you want it very spicy. And if you do not want it that spicy, just decrease, okay? It's just on you. At this point, introduce your meat stock, whichever one you have. I'm using turkey stock. And if you do not have any, please make use of water. Now go in with your seasoning. Please season to taste. Next thing is your salt to taste as well. Do not over salt it, remember. Now give it a nice stir and we're going to cover it and allow it to cook until dry. Make sure you keep an eye on it so it doesn't get burnt. This is our chicken back, and at this point our rice is set, is ready, dry, okay? So you go ahead and take it off the heat. Fluff it and transfer in another pot or tray, all right? So it is continue cooking. You don't want it that too soft. Now moving on. In that same pan or pot, go in with your butter. You can use your vegetable oil, whichever one you have. Once it is heated, go on and add your diced onions. Fry it for a minute and introduce your mixed veggies. Comprises of sweet corn, peas, green beans, and carrots, okay? Once you've added it, stir and allow to fry for a minute or 2, and then introduce your bell peppers. Here we have the green, the red, and the yellow bell peppers, all chopped. Now, give it a nice stir. Please remember to increase your veggies if you're making large portion of rice. Yes, if you're making larger portion of rice, make sure your veggies equate it, right? So at this point, guys, we're going in with some seasoning. We want our veggies to be tasty as well, but do not over season it. Add in some seasoning and some salt and nicely stir everything together. This is looking good. Can you see the beautiful colors, guys? At this point, our veggies is ready. You do not over fry it, okay? Do not overcook it. Do not over fry it. Now, it is time to introduce your rice. Pour it in and stir everything together until it is well combined, like everything is well mixed. You're gonna stir. Please, if this is your first time coming across my video, you are welcome. This channel teaches how to make easy, delicious cooking meals, baking, small chops and snacks, and lots more. So guys, if it sounds like something you're looking at for, please go ahead and subscribe. Subscribe and become part of this amazing, beautiful family. I promise you're not going to regret it. Also, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Thank you so much. Now, introducing the star ingredient to this recipe, the cabbage. Guys, your shredded cabbage, go on and add it. Be generous with it, but make sure it doesn't overpower your rice, okay? If you notice, we've added our spring onions. Yes. Now, go on and stir until everything is well combined. Stir until it has this uniform look, okay? This is looking good. Delicious. Oh my. Guys, do not sleep on this one. You are making it. It is simple and just require a few ingredients. Can you see that? Look at this goodness, guys. Lastly, we just went in with some sesame oil. It's going to give it another unique flavor. Guys, do not skip it. Afterwards, you stir it in. The aroma in my kitchen, guys, it got neighbors asking. That's to tell you that you need to try this recipe and enjoy this goodness, okay? Please let me seize this opportunity to appreciate all my subscribers, both the newest and the returning. Guys, your girl is super grateful for all your love and massive support. I am very grateful. Please keep it up, okay? Now you take it off the heat after a few seconds, and there you have it, guys. Our delicious, mouth-watering cabbage fried rice is set. Please give it a go. And for you that followed me to this point, honestly, I am grateful. And if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Thank you. All right, guys, it is time to plate our dish. So you dish it out with me, as always. This is looking good. Cabbage fried rice. If you have not tried it, please go ahead and give it a try. You will love it. Your family will love it as well. We're going to be enjoying it alongside with some cucumber and some fried turkey. Oh my, guys, look at that. Look at this goodness. Oh my, I know you are salivating. This is looking good, guys. Please help me share this video to your families, friends, and loved ones for them to try it out. Now it is testing time. Please test with me. Crunchy. This recipe deserves a good head slapping. It is heavenly. It tasted super good. And we have come to the end of today's cooking. If you found it interesting, please go ahead and give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe and follow for more easy, tasty recipes. Until next time, keep cooking, keep smiling.